We are back in beautiful Kannapolis, North Carolina. It's about 1,000 degrees outside today. They are having their Kannapolis Cruise-In. It's one of my favorites to go. There's so many cars that show up. The scenery is just beautiful. So let's see how many awesome classic cars are here today.
I gotta get him back once in a while. It ain't a clone. He's the real deal. Well,
This Corvette may be one of the best vehicles here today. Look at this. That is super sharp. That red interior. Man, I would love to have something like this. How cool is this? Old Bel Air is a cop car. Here we got 4 classic cars from the 80s, starting with the Celine Mustang here. Pontiac 2+2. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. And then we got, of course, the Grand National. Of the 4, which one would you be choosing if they were like in minty mint condition there? I think I know which one everyone's gonna pick. Man, the Chevy Malibu used to be something. When the Malibu kind of ran its course, like that car was nothing that you'd want, but man, this is... Why did they keep making them like this? Look at that. If you live anywhere close in the area and you love classic cars, I would imagine you do if you're watching this video, you need to come to the Kannapolis Cruise-In. I believe it's the second Saturday, starting around March or April, and runs through the summer months. It is an incredible, incredible car show. You can easily spend all afternoon taking a look at all these cars. There's just so many cars here. There's easily a couple hundred cars, if not more here. Classic cars, muscle cars, everything you want. Yeah, come check this out. I am a sucker for a good classic truck, and look at these. The colors just pop on these too. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice little touch with the dice there, like that. And we got a Fox body Mustang. Kind of an emerald green color. Now, like I said, it's blazing hot outside today, so normally these cars will be stacked almost 2-3 deep on a really nice day. Like I came back, I was here in March or April, and there was a ton, there's a lot of cars here today. There was a lot more. Like I said, they were stacked pretty deep along the loop here, but even still, with it being a million degrees out, you still got a bunch of good collection of classics here today. Another outstanding one here, Plymouth GTX. Fantastic. Look at this. I believe we have a 1960 Chevy Impala. Oh yeah, look at that. God, I love these Corvettes. How awesome are these? Woo. Look at that. It is not a North Carolina car show if there is not a race car. This one at one point belonged to Bobby Allison. Big time race car driver. Hope you all enjoyed all the classic cars here in Kannapolis, North Carolina. Like I said, it's one of the best cruise-ins you'll find probably anywhere in the state. Absolutely love it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you've watched this long, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Thank you. Till next time, guys.